So we're on the beach now here at the church in the sea. As you can see in the distance there, you've got a rocky outcrop that allows you to get over to the church, obviously at low tide. When the tide comes in, if you're in there, you need to get out quick because you're not going to get over probably for a couple of hours. But totally beautiful place. You may be able to hear in the distance the slight noise of cars racing around. Well, that's basically Anglesey race circuit in the distance, right next to the church. So I've just done a long exposure, it's 2 minutes of the church in the sea, and in the foreground here we've got some nice rocks that are quite jagged on a 45-degree angle. They're kind of a nice leading line up to the church through the water, because the tide is coming in pretty quick now. Anyway, I'll throw it in camera for you just to show you what that looks like, and hopefully when we get it back home and do some post-production, we might be able to make a nice shot of it.